In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all your workspace content in Notion. Starting from the Notion homepage, let's take this step by step to ensure everything proceeds smoothly. First, head over to the Notion homepage where you'll easily spot the familiar interface. From here, look towards the left-hand corner of your screen and locate the Settings option. It's easy to find and quite user-friendly. Clicking on Settings will open up a new menu where you'll see various options that allow you to customize Notion to better suit your needs. As you navigate through the settings, click on the tab labeled General. This is your go-to section for handling broader actions related to your Notion setup. And ideally, you'd want to familiarize yourself with these general settings as they offer several utilities that can enhance your organization and workflow. Now that you're in the general settings, look for the option to export all workspace content. This is a handy feature for anyone wanting to back up their work or transfer their workspaces to another platform. With the Export All Workspace Content button at your mercy, it's just a click away to initiate the process. At this point, you have the ability to choose the type of file format for your export. This step is crucial for compatibility with different applications that you might be using. Alongside the file format, you can specify which database and content you'd like included in the export. This selection is fundamental, as it allows you to decide just how thorough you want your backup to be. There's also a nifty option to create folders for subpages. Enabling this feature organizes your exported data into neatly arranged subfolders, maintaining the structure you're accustomed to in Notion. This additional organization can prove invaluable when navigating through your exported files at a later date. Once you've tailored these options to fit your needs, go ahead and click Export. After doing so, be ready to receive an email containing a download link for your exported workspace. This email comes directly to your inbox and provides convenient access to your backed up data without having to revisit Notion. Following this process, you're well equipped to gain a comprehensive backup of your Notion workspace quickly and efficiently. Whether you're archiving your work or moving data, this guide ensures you'll seamlessly navigate through each step. I hope this tutorial helps make managing your Notion workspaces a more streamlined experience. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.